Dude, they issued another SVR. Egg-sized hail. Another. What the heck? Another SVR. That's literal crazy. Dude, what is going on? What's happening?
The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
another SVR.
Parish in northwestern Louisiana, northwestern Caddo Parish in northwestern Louisiana, southwestern Claiborne Parish in northwestern Louisiana, Bossier Parish in northwestern Louisiana until 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:21 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Benton, or 12 miles north of Bossier City, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard to inhale 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Whoa, what is happening? This is literal chaos.
Impact. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bossier City.
Bro, this is literal chaos. This is crazy.
Plain Dealing, Cotton Valley, Sarepta, Boyleen, Austin, Dixien, Belcher, Shongaloo, Gilliam, Eastwood, Evergreen, Alden Bridge, and Ferguson. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 a.m. Central Standard Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Bossier, Caddo, Claiborne, and Webster.
This is literal chaos from my clear. What the heck is going on?
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 9:30 a.m. Central Standard Time for Western Caddo and Central Bossier parishes.